Team projects in Axure enable multiple people to work on the same Axure file, facilitating collaborative design. Currently, Axure uses Axure Cloud to store all team project files. Here's how it works. First, you can check out the required team project document from Axure Cloud. After editing, check in all assets back to Axure Cloud. Your teammates can then access your updates from Axure Cloud. To create a new blank team project, click File in the menu, then New Team Project. In the pop-up, enter the project name and choose a save location. Click Create Team Project to save the file to Axure Cloud. Click Save Team Project File to save it to your local folder, then select Open Team Project File to open the document. In the page list on the left, you'll see blue dots on the right side of each page, indicating they are checked in and not editable. If you want to create a team project from the current document, select Team, then Create Team Project from Current File. Enter the project name. And after clicking Create Team Project, a new team project file will be created on Axure Cloud. Once saved, store it in a local folder. You'll see that all pages are in the blue check-in status, meaning you cannot directly edit them unless you check out each one. To edit a page, right-click it and choose Check Out. Checked out pages cannot be edited by others, preventing conflicts during editing. Let's create two components from different widgets. You'll notice a plus icon on the right of each component. Click it, then click Check In to check in the new components. Checked in components turn blue, indicating they're not editable. To send all changes without altering the current checkout status, go to Team in the menu and select Send All Changes. Here, you'll see which pages and components are marked as Send Changes and those set to be checked in. Click the OK button. Once the process completes, you'll see a checkout notification on the canvas. To retrieve all new changes from Axure Cloud, go to the menu and select Team, Get All Changes. To check out everything, choose Team, Check Out Everything from the menu. After the process finishes, you'll notice that all pages and widgets are checked out, allowing you to edit any content. To check in everything, select Team, Check in Everything from the menu. In the pop-up window, you'll see which pages and components will be checked in. Once the process is complete, you'll no longer be able to edit these items. To check out Component 2, right-click it and select Check Out to make edits. Then go to Team, send Component 2 changes to server to send the updates to Axure Cloud, with Component 2 remaining checked out. To undo the checkout for Component 2, select Team, Undo Checkout Component 2. We then check out the List Card List page. On a different team member's instance of the same team project document, this page's icon will display a restricted icon, indicating it's unavailable for editing. Attempting to check it out prompts a warning that the page cannot be checked out, and you're given options. Do not edit. We'll leave it uneditable. While Edit All Who Check Out will allow you to edit the page. Selecting this option flags it with a warning icon, indicating an unsafe checkout. While you can edit the page, this may impact others currently working on it. After editing, select Check In. A Steal Checkout dialog will appear, allowing you to choose Steal All Checkout to forcefully check out all pages. This process will check in all pages.